Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power is off and you have the right tools. This prevents shorts and wasted time. Inspect the mount and charger housing for cracked plastic, corroded contacts, or loose screws. Once you spot the weak points, remove the phone and battery pack, then unbolt the holder using the appropriate Allen or Phillips driver. Make sure to keep screws in order. Label small parts if needed. You're now ready to open the charger module and trace the wiring path for the repair. You'll now tackle the heart of the fix: electrical continuity and mechanical strength. Start by cleaning and testing contacts with a multimeter. Repair or replace any corroded terminals because poor contact causes intermittent charging. Next, repair cut or frayed wires, solder and cover with heat shrink, or use proper crimp connectors to maintain vibration resistance. For the holder, reinforce cracked plastic with epoxy or small metal plates and realign the clamp so the charger sits flush. You finish by reassembling the holder and reconnecting power, making sure seals and gaskets sit properly to keep moisture out. Power up the bike or battery and measure voltage at the charger output. Then connect your phone and confirm steady charging current. Make sure the cable isn't pinched and the holder clamps firmly without flex. If charging fails, check the inline fuse and probe continuity from the battery to the charger. Replacing a blown fuse or a bad connector usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.